This is our next question, which says find the range of this function. This is sine, where there is written as that is sine, and this is signum. We know that signum gives 1 as an answer for positive and -1 for negative and 0 for 0. So we will calculate the nature of this. We can write it like this. This all we can take it as a. This is also a. So we get 1 plus 1 by a, and a is sine squared x plus 2 sine plus. And this is always greater than 0. You can check it by quadratic. Sin x is t, then you can see that d is always less than 0, a is greater than 0, so this is always positive. So this whole is always positive, so signum of this is 1, range is 1. We will move to the next one. We have fx as maximum of this, and we have to calculate k such that it has two roots. Fx is equal to k has two roots. We can draw the graph of maximum of this. You know that y barabar x is this. Y barabar x squared is something like this. X cube is something like this. And x to the power 4 is something like that. And like that only we can draw it in the negative side also, like this. And some we are talking about x greater than 0. We don't care about the negative side. So for your maximum graph we have to draw. So first this would be the part x to the power 4 for x less than x greater than 1, and x for x lying between 0 to 1. This would be our function defined. So our graph would be automatically something like this. So we see that for any k, it is giving only one solution, not two solutions. Then k belongs to y. No real k such that that occur. Now we have to draw some graphs of mod x plus mod y is equal to 2 and mod x into mod x. It is not mod x, it is GA, greatest integer function. Greatest integer x plus greatest integer y is equal to 2 and multiply. And this is our last. It is good question. It comes in area under graph. Area under curve AIC. In that chapter also you get to find the area of this. So as we have given x greater than 0, y greater than 0, mod x can be 2, y can be 0. This can be 1, this can be 1, and this can be 0, this can be 2. These are all the feasible cases. So this belongs to 2 and x belongs to 3 to 2. Y belongs to 0 and greatest y belongs to 0, then y belongs to 0 to 1. So we will get something like this. First area is this. This is 2, 3 and this is 0, 1. Second area is this part, and third area is this. So we have fetched the graph. These are the area which are written by this equation. And you can likewise you can try for multiplication also. Greatest x into greatest y is equal to 2. X greater than 0, y greater than 0 is given. So 1 into 2, 2 into 1. These are the two feasible cases. It will come something like this. This area, and then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this area. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So these two areas for the second one. So we can take one more question. Last. find range of signum. This is greatest integer, and then we have 2 fractional part of 2 plus fractional part of x square plus 3x plus this. We have to find the range of this. It's very easy. It's fractional part, so it will be lying between 0 to 1, something between 0 to 1. This we consider that as a would be lying in between 0 to 1, and fractional part of 2 is 0. So it becomes signum of fractional part of something, which is a. And fractional part, anything lying between 0 to 1, a is lying between 0 to 1. This greatest integer is always 0.